Hi there. Today we'll be making 4 different styles of Halloween earrings. We have 2 different types of jack-o'-lantern or pumpkin charms that we'll be using. One is rounder, like a convex shape, more 3D, and the other one is flatter. And as you can see, both will work perfectly for a Halloween-themed earring. We have them in sterling silver and gold over sterling silver. We will also be making the earrings 4 different styles with 4 different types of ear wire. The first is a lever back. So as you can see at the base of the ear wire, it opens with a lever, and the thinner part goes through the earlobe and faces out front. So that's the part everyone will see when you're wearing the earring. The loop at the bottom is where the charm will go, and you want to gently open it. Don't forcefully do it, as it might break off the ear wire, but that is where the charm will go. Now, before we assemble it, we want to make sure that the face of the pumpkin is facing out so that when you're wearing it, everybody can see it. Now, this charm comes with a jump ring, so we don't know if it necessarily needs that jump ring. Not sure if it will hang properly. So the best way to figure this out is to simply open the loop, put the charm on, and see. Now the charm is facing out, but it's leaning a little, so it might face into your neck, so everyone can't see the charm correctly. So now we know that we will, once we are ready to assemble the earring, we'll need to remove that jump ring. Now with the fishhook ear wires that are next, we want to do the same thing. We want to see if the charm will face in the right direction with the jump ring. So we'll pry the little loop in front, gently open, place the charm on, and as you can see, it hangs in the wrong direction. It hangs sideways. So the Marquise Ear Wire is next. And again, we want to see if the jump ring is needed by the way it hangs on the ear wire. So we'll take our pliers and we'll again gently open the loop and place the charm on there and see how it hangs. Again, it hangs sideways, so everyone won't be able to see the charm. Now, these teardrop hoops are a bit different, as the loop is facing in a different direction than the other ear wires. So we may need the jump ring on top of the charm. But again, just to make sure, we'll put it on. So gently open it with pliers. And we'll put the charm on the loop. And this actually does work out nicely, as it allows the charm to face outwards so everyone can see the jack-o'-lantern. Now we'll be using 2 pliers and a wire cutter for this project. So the first earrings that we're going to do are the lever backs, and we've determined that we do not need the jump ring that is on top of the charm. So we'll just take our wire cutters and press down on the jump ring. You'll hear a pop, and then we'll take our pliers and with our fingers and pliers remove the jump ring from the top of the charms. And you'll want to keep these jump rings. They're perfectly good to use for other projects. So once they're removed from the charms, we'll take our lever back earring and open the loop at the bottom gently. And the loop is small, so we'll take a second to just place the charm on there. But once it is on there, you can see that the pumpkin face is in the right direction. So when you're wearing them, they'll face outwards and everyone can see the jack-o'-lantern face. So we'll quickly do that with the second earring. And we have a huge selection of other charms. So you can take these leather backs and add Christmas charms. We have other Halloween charms. You can just browse our huge selection on beadunion.com. So our first pair of earrings is done. Our gold over sterling silver leatherback jack-o'-lantern earrings. Now the second pair we'll do are the open teardrop hoop. So we'll pry open the loop at the bottom of the ear wire. And this is simple because we keep the jump ring on top of the charm. So we'll just place it on the ear wire and use our pliers to close the loop up so it secures the charm. And one earring is done. So we'll quickly do the second earring. And in under 5 minutes, you have made a pair of Halloween earrings. Now the second pair we'll do is our fishhook. So we determined that we want to remove the jump rings. So again, just the wire cutters are used, and with our fingers and the pliers, or even the wire cutters, we can take those off. And once the jump rings are removed, we can pick up the fishhook ear wire, and the loop in the front of the fishhook we can pry open with the pliers. And because there's a ball at the end, we can feed the charm through the ear wire itself. Just make sure that, again, the charm is in the right direction. And we'll just close up the loop to secure the charm. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, there is one earring done. So we can quickly do the next one. And again, simple, cute Halloween earrings done in under 5 minutes. So for our last pair, we have our Marquise Ear Wire in sterling silver. And we decided we do want to remove the jump ring from the charm. So we open the loop of the ear wire just to get that ready. We take the charm and we take our wire cutter and remove the jump ring. And again, these jump rings are great for every other project. We just don't need them for these earrings. So once it's removed, we'll just slide it onto the loop and close it up with our pliers. And it's great from this angle. You can see the 925 sterling silver stamp on the back of the charm, so you know it's solid sterling silver. But that'll be facing outwards, so no one will see that because you'll see the jack-o'-lantern face in front. So just like that, we have finished 4 pairs of Halloween earrings with our jack-o'-lantern charms. So thank you for watching and have a great day.